Hello there. Now I'm currently inside the Kittl website because for this video, I'm going to teach you how to crop elements and images using Kittl. And right now, this should be the landing page you should be seeing also on your end. And once you're here, simply click on New Project on this upper right section. And then I'll see you once inside. So welcome back. This should be what looks inside the video, or rather, Kittl. So if you might be experiencing some white theme, if you want to make it dark theme, simply click on the upper right section and click dark mode. Perfect. Now let's move on with the video. On the left side, you'll have projects, templates, upload, text, elements, photos, textures, and of course the AI. Now for the video itself, I'm gonna use photo. I'm just gonna look for a good photo to work with. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm just gonna blow it up or enlarge it so we can see it more properly. Now for the first method I'm gonna teach you is that easily cropping this one is just simply double clicking on it. If I double click right now, you'll see that I can crop it as easy as pie. No problem at all. Now once you go and manage this one, resize it to your liking. For example, I'm gonna focus on the tailor itself or the scuba diver. I can simply click on the exit cropping mode on the right section, or just simply click anywhere in the screen. Perfect, right? Now I'm gonna go back in there, and with that, I'm gonna teach you another way. So simply right click and click on the crop option. Same thing, same result, just a different approach. So once you click on that one, you can just crop it all the way through. Perfect, right? Now, once that being said, there are a lot of ways to work with this one. For example, you just want to focus on that exact section. So again, double click. Now you'll see on the lower, or rather on the corners, there are two arrows or edges. If I click on this one, for example, let's just say focus itself on the diver. And then I want this exact resolution. As you can see right there, if I click it one more time or hold it one more time, the image, I can edit itself the resolution or the size of the crop image. Let's say I'm just targeting this resolution, right? Just for discussion purposes, let's say this is 3x4. Now I have an image target of 3x4. I'm just gonna crop that part right there or this part right here with no problem at all regarding the consistent size. Perfect, right? How awesome is that? So those are the ways to crop an image. Remember the thing that I taught you. For example, you want to enlarge it one more time. Let's just say you have already cropped it. Now there are ways to go back on the original. You can just simply click on the undo button or just go double click on it and then enlarge it one more time. Make sure everything is right there. Everything is back to where it belongs. And now those are the photos. Let's move on with illustrations and elements. Go for elements right there. So for elements, we're gonna have a lot of choices. We have shapes, ornaments, or vectors if you may, illustrations, and abstracts. So for illustrations, I'm gonna look for the rose, the vintage flowers right there. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I think this is what you call gumamela in our country, sampagira. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Anyway, with that, for example, I just want this middle part and the ornaments right there. Again, I can just simply right click and I can find that crop icon right there. Same drill, same process. I can just tighten whatever I'm looking for and move it as I see fit. And once I'm done, I can just simply click on accept cropping, or I can just click anywhere on the Canva. Perfect, right? Now again, if I want to move it and maintain the resolution itself, simply double click on it and then look for the one that you want to crop. Now here's the thing. For example, you just double click, you'll have that option one more time. It's just the same as the photo, so you don't have to right click on it. There are two ways to crop some elements or illustrations. Now how about this ones, the one they call vectors or ornaments? If I click on this one, just for example, enlarge it. If I right click, there is no crop option. If I double click on it right now, nothing is happening. The reason to that is that we cannot crop vectors or ornaments as of now. So Kittl is working on a feature called eraser, where you can just erase something. For example, these are 3 diamonds or shining diamonds, right? With that eraser tool, you can just erase stuff you don't want on the image. Because if I really did this, it's just gonna make the image smaller or vector smaller. It's not really gonna crop it. And that is actually still on the work. It's still on the beta phase, so by this time I'm making this video, it's still not available. They're still working on it, so please check it. Check for updates, check on the YouTube videos, the YouTube channel. But however, once the Kittl rolled it out to the public, I'll make sure I'll make a video about it. And with that being said, please check that one out. It's an eraser for vectors. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.